Okay guys, I'm removing the fuel from out of this fuel cell. We're about to do some welding under here because we were going to remove this rear end. We got to do a little fabrication for the new rear end. But I'm going to show you guys something. A cheap siphon pump, guys. This pump is battery operated. This thing is incredible. It pumps 7 quarts per minute. I got a sock on it to filter out any dirt or debris that was in the tank because it's costed up for so long. Putting it in here, already siphoned out a lot. It's extremely quick. I'm gonna set my phone down and show you guys. This thing is nice, man. Very cheap pump. All you need is 2 D-size batteries. Just buy some good alkaline batteries, door cell, energizer, and this thing is gonna perform. Watch how quick it siphons. The full tank of gas in here. Okay guys, we're here to pick up drive shaft for the car. For the Nova Monstrosity. Let's go grab it. Nice. Alright guys, we're done. It's tucked in more. And look at that beautiful thing, guys. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh my goodness. So we got to let it down now. I have to get the new drive shaft. Get the new drive shaft in. Guys, these are 2 brand new batteries. This thing takes a lot of power to start up, and now I'm charging it. You've been sitting up, you haven't started it in a few months now, and you're gonna see what's going on. It's charging up right now. gauge out. It's not connected to anything. So I didn't kind of pay attention to that. Now that we got the car running, I'm ready to go. I'll install that now, and that'll be it. We'll be ready to get to the track.
We're in the car. So while he's in the car,
We seeing your true weight too. We seeing your true weight too.